200 subscribers. This is Jessica Lynn of JessicaLynnOriginal.com. I am so excited about some of the opportunities we have on our YouTube channel that are going to be coming over the next few months. First off, I'd like to just thank you. If you're already a subscriber, thank you. I appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe, and we're going to talk about that in just a moment. I've been in business for almost 13 years, coming up this April 1st. I spent the first 6 years learning about custom stamps and building those and designing them and the business side, and the last 6 I've spent designing custom photopolymer stamps and working with a design team and really learning the card making and paper crafting business. This past year, I wanted to try and do a card each week, and that did not happen. Baby number 2 did. So now I am more focused than ever to share some new designs and card ideas that are going to inspire you. So I would like to give away these 3 sets of Brentwood Owl Stamps that you see above. They are 4x4 each, and they are just too cute. If you want to enter, first off, have to be in the USA, sorry, and you have to be over 18. Second, be a current or new visible subscriber. 4, like this video. So like the video that I'm posting right now that you're going to see. Go ahead and share this video. So do a YouTube retweet, share it out on your social media, Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter, Google, Blogger, LinkedIn, whatever your social media of choice is. Then what I want you to do is down below, I'm putting in a comment you can see right there. Comment on my video. And what I want you to do is comment what you would love to see Brentwood Owl do next. Don't forget to put the location of the social media as well. I will pull a winner and announce that in a video. Thank you so much for following us. Again, if you'd like to subscribe, I'm going to pop up a little Brentwood Owl logo. Click on that and subscribe. We'd love to have you. Also, I'm going to be sharing one of our current videos for you to enjoy. Thank you again, and good luck, everyone.